Hello, I'm not the person who gonna say hello YouTube, but just let's start. I received a package from Banggood, a new Xiaomi Wiha, what to say, tools. And one of the things I was really surprised by was the weight. So the whole packaging is 275 grams, and that's, I think, a lot for so simple screwdrivers. And I like Xiaomi. I like their products. It's cheap and they deliver, in my opinion, a good quality. So I have their webcam, I have 2 battery packs, I have the Bluetooth speaker, I have a Xiaomi phone. I bought that one for $100 and I use it for navigation mainly. I have the Xiaomi water meter, I have a Xiaomi pen. Yes, they even make pens, and the quality, yeah, Japanese they say. And I have the router, but I'm not really happy about that one. But I need a 5 GHz router, and that one was like $25. And finding a 5 GHz router for $25 in this city, Saigon, is hard. So I bought the Xiaomi one. And now I want to take a look in that box. I bought this one at Banggood, and I pay for this set around $23. And I think this is a good price, because Banggood will price this one for like $45 or $50. And let me see what's inside. I have to open this. Okay. A box in a box. That's something Xiaomi is famous for. So in the box is another box. So 3 boxes. So what do you have? Enjoy work. Of course, I love work. So this is for the garbage. A little card with blah blah. I don't speak any Chinese, but we'll say maybe be dangerous or be careful, dangerous, I don't know. Okay. It looks like the battery pack. Look at this. Just a battery pack, but then filled with tools. So, what's inside? I'll open this. Look at this. German engineering. And for this set, I always curious if they include the one screwdriver I love to use, and it's called the pentalobe. And the pentalobe is, let's say, Apple's way to keep people outside, and I think I already see it. It's this one. So let's get this one out. And where is my phone? Let's test my phone for it. I have to get it out my Jimmy case, and that case is really hard to open. Okay, I have here an Apple phone. So, and on the back is normally they have the screws, so let's see if this fits. Yes, beautiful. So, why did I order this tool set? And that's because they say German quality. And I use normally for opening stuff, I just buy from China some the basically open your phone stuff. So you pay $2 or $3 and you get a bag with this kind of tools. And they always included a little screwdriver, which I not can find now. And those screwdrivers are this kind of quality. And I have to say, that quality sucks. It's not the first time I try to open an iPhone. Like here, this is the cheap Pentalobe, and sometimes I open an iPhone and they just break. The little parts on this break off, so the quality sucks. So when I saw that Xiaomi made a toolset with German quality, I was like, yes, that's mine, I will order it. And when Banggood offered it for $23, I was like, that's just no money for a screwdriver set I will probably use the rest of my life. So yes, the Banggood Wiha tool set from Xiaomi. And yes, if you are in good quality stuff and you want to order this, below is a link. You can click on it and you can order it yourself to see if it fits for your own purpose. Okay, me out. Bye bye.